Hi friends, welcome back to Chenna Tech Point. Today's session we are going to see how to create EC2 instance and adding user data to launch the web server on EC2 instance. Go to AWS console, select the EC2, scroll down, click on launch instance. Instance name is user data. Scroll down. Amazon Linux 2 AMI. This is a free tier eligible. Select the first one. Scroll down. Instance type is T2 micro. For connecting this EC2 instance, we need to download a key pair. Click on create new key pair. Here we need to provide the key pair name. Key pair name is user data. Private key file format is .pem. Click on create key pair. Download the .pem file. No need to change any network settings. Leave it as a default. Here security group, we need to select the HTTP. Click on yellow. Click on advanced details. Scroll down. Open the notepad. Copy the script. Paste it in user data. Click on launch instance. It will take some time to launch the instance. User data is used to, we need to provide some script in the user data. It will execute before start the EC2 instance. Click on view all instances. Now instance is ready. Click on instance ID. Copy the public IPv4 address. Click on enter. Here you can see we are getting the output hello world from the IP host name. This is the host name. Go to instance again. Scroll down. Click on security group. Click on edit inbound rules. Port number 80, then only it will work. Suppose I deleting this 80. Save the rules. It loop the IPv4 address because we remove the 80 from the security group. Click on inbound rules. Again we need to add HTTP 80. Scroll down. Click on HTTP. Select the IPv4. Save the changes. Now refresh it again. Now we will get the output. In this way we can use the user data to launch the EC2 instance. I will provide the script code in description. You can copy from the description. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.